Mission control to oh, what was that? Yeah, foot long, crispy chicken sub, Italian herbs and cheese. You demand, John. Thanks. Mission control to ISS. Mission control to ISS. Are you reading me over?
Tell me all the ways you need me. I'm not here for long. Catch me or I go Houdini. I come and I go. Prove you got the right to please me. Everybody knows. Catch me or I go Houdini. Time is passing like a.
Ground control? Yes, this is ISS. Really sorry about that. I was running a scientific experiment and I didn't hear you calling. I know, my bad. Apologies. What can I do for you?
Glad to hear your voice, ISS. We are nearing the end of the deployment window for the autonomous spacecraft, but I'm not seeing any deployments here. What's going on up there? Over.
That is correct, Mission Control. Yes. We've been trying to deploy these autonomous robots for the past 3 months with no success. It is a state of emergency here. We need some resources. I consulted with the engineering team without any luck. Do you copy, Mission Control? Do you copy? It is an emergency. I repeat, an emergency. Over.
Can you repeat that, ISS? You're saying the revolutionary autonomous spacecraft aren't deploying properly? Over?
Yes. It is exactly what I said. Those platforms are not deployable anymore. So many issues with them. So many. Oh, you want some examples? Well, let me give you some examples, ground control. First off, that propulsion system has leaks. We are wasting air and the platforms go out of control. Electrical circuit, those protoboards, they're kind of old, you know, and they are falling apart, causing some electrical connection issues, loose wires, grounding issues. This is not sustainable. Like computer vision, relying on some cheap stereo camera, that doesn't work. We need some better sensors on board. Oh, yeah, another example for sure. Let me give you one. That compressor that we've been using to refill the compressed air tanks is falling apart as well. Yeah, it's on the verge of exploding every time we use it. This is a major risk on board the station. Ground control, do you copy? This is a state of emergency. Over.
We hear you loud and clear, ISS. If we were to find some sort of future funding, is there any way we can improve the spacecraft? Over?
Oh yes, absolutely. Yes, give me, I don't know, $10,000 and I could fix those for you. For example, that propulsion system, we would redesign that completely using, I don't know, steel or copper tubing instead of that cheap plastic. The electrical circuits would print out some proper PCB and get rid of those proto boards. Computer vision, forget about that cheap stereo camera system. We'd buy some laser sensors instead. Yeah, and that compressor would be serviced. Yeah, nullifying any risk to health and safety, yes. Yeah. And perhaps we could also buy a spare jet and embedded GPU computer should one of these existing ones fail on us. So, oh yeah, I mean, you show me the money and I show you solution. Over.
Understood, ISS. Mission Control will get right on it. We know that the spacecraft proximity operations testbed are relying on these results. Leave it to us. Over and out. Hey, is John back yet?